How to find Clipboard on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, let's open Notes to see if Clipboard is activated. You'll find Clipboard on top in Keyboard. Simply turn on Clipboard. If you write something, copy it and again click on Clipboard. You will find copied text in Keyboard. You can also pin clipboard words by simply clicking on pencil-like option on top right in keyboard. You can also delete it from keyboard. This is how to find clipboard on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia, signing off until next time.